So here we are at the town.
Yeah, what town?
I don't know. All right, so we're on the way to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house to eat breakfast.
Better be ready to turn right.
And is this it?
Yeah.
Not here. Not
What?
here.
Oh, all right. I'm sorry. We're confused and delirious. And Jimmy.
Turn right onto Avenue J, then turn right onto
Right here?
Avenue 1431.
Yeah, right here.
So this is the way to the fucking chainsaw house, y'all. Who would have thought it?
I would have.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Avenue
I went there last night.
1431.
Just get me there safely, please.
You got it, Bo.
Well, she jumped out this window.
Yeah, she jumped out that window
She jumped out another window.
because she couldn't handle it. There's Grandpa.
Yeah, this is where Sally ran upstairs from Leatherface while he was cutting the door off. And Grandpa, she found him up here. And then she turned around and this is where Grandma was. But she was just dead. This is surreal.
This is Clark of LeCompton Clark Expeditions coming to you live from the gas station where Texas Chainsaw Massacre was recorded, and it's now a restaurant and they do barbecue and it's really good actually. But I'm gonna kind of take you around and show you what's up. Jimmy of LeCompton is inside buying stuff, so I will get him on here shortly. Hey, LeCompton.
Yes.
Now that we're at the gas station of Texas Chainsaw Massacre and
Yeah.
you're fixing to run through the woods, are you scared?
Absolutely.
Is it more terrifying in real life?
It's the worst thing in my life.
I don't like it either. Here we go.